Okay, so we're back at this. The rotating hook. We have instructions to remove and replace the rotating hook. And it says remove rotating hook screw. That's this guy. And reveal this little pin. Uncovering rotating hook position pin X7 figure 31A. That's this. At upper end of rotating hook shaft. Rotate balance wheel to bring feed dog to its highest position. None of that's relevant because it says it just wants it here. You're doing all the rotating to get this to go to here, which is where it's out of the way of all of the stuff that I've already taken off. So the pin will then be in the position shown in figure 31A. It is. Just like that. And the rotating hook can easily be removed. Oh, okay. Well, I had to be a bit more butch than I was being. Look at that clean spot where things were touching. And how nasty the rest of this is. There are instructions for disassembling and cleaning and replacing all the little springs and stuff, but I might not do that. Depends on how good it looks after I've polished it up a little bit. But yeah, if you look, this is just the end of that shaft. Oh, excuse me. Huh. If we go many pages forward, it tells you how to put that back and then time it. And that's 4 pages as the timing. So this is going to be fun when I put it back together. It gives you a little diagram, and I don't know if you can see this diagram. No, you can't. Ha! There's this diagram. Gives you this little diagram. Here's that screw. Here's that, which I just took out. And here is the shaft and gear. So that shaft actually has a collar and the little pin and is threaded. So this is literally the end of the shaft here. It looks so good. Man, I don't... It's so clean, it's shiny. Where nothing has gotten to it. Oh, everywhere else is so nasty in comparison. Okay. That's it. We just have this shaft, and that shaft, and that shaft, and that shaft. Cool.